Welcome to Ashwin Domain. In this tutorial, we're going to create a door animation blueprint in Unreal Engine 5.6. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Make sure that you had added this one, add feature or content pack, because it has the starter content. We need the door and frames, so we'll just add by clicking it, and here content, you'll get the starter content. Add to the project added. Now, firstly, what we want to do, we'll just create a folder. Let's name it door, and I will pick a random color for the folder because I just want to know. Then open it, and we will create a blueprint because we are going to create a door blueprint animation. Let's open it, and you'll see pick parent classes. It shows like actor, pawn, character, player, controller, goes on. So it's totally upon to you. But in this tutorial, we're going to choose the actor class for the door animations. Now, what we want to do is I'm going to rename it as BP underscore door. BP stands for blueprint. Now let's just open it. So we are already in the blueprint. Now what we want to do, just add and type static mesh. You'll see static mesh here. Let's rename it as frame, and let's pick a frame from here. Just type it frame. So you can see we already added the starter content here, so you can pick the frame from there. Now what we want to do is, again, one more time, add a static mesh. This time we're going to rename it as door. So now here again we'll type door. Okay, we got the door here. Well, let's change the camera angle to front view so I can easily grab the door. Let me just rearrange it perfectly aligned with the door. Okay, fine, that's good. Now, as you can see, the door open like on the z-axis, and when it opens 80 degree or minus 107 degree. So let me just keep that to 0. Okay, fine. So what we want to do, we just want to create a box collision here. Since the character wants to interact with the door, then only the door should open smoothly. We will add the animation as well. Let's create a box collision by adding here box collision. We will drag it under the default scene root. Okay, now let me just resize the box collision, and I'll do some changes by scaling it. Let me just open the front view so I can align with okay, perfect. Let me just go through the top view as well so I can easily see. Okay, fine. Now it's aligned with the door. Keep in mind that this character should have to enter into the box collision, then only the door should open. Okay, let me just compile it, and what we want to do is, again, we will just here, when you drag downwards, you'll see the on component begin overlay and end overlap. We'll just add the begin overlap, and one more time we'll come here and add end overlap, since we need a door to open and close. Now what we want to do is we'll just add relative rotation. So when you type relative rotation, you'll already see add a relative rotation door bracket. Just drag and drop it here, symbol, just like that. It should stay like this. Okay, fine. Now we are going to add something called time line. Timeline. So we can add timeline here. Then we're going to add something called lerp. Okay, so time, this one we are using this one for the smooth animation, so it will make a bezier spline to animate the door to open and close very nice and smooth. If you not add this thing, just type here -108 or something and hit compile. Don't forget to compile and save. It's very important. Let me just play again. And it says, it shows like door opens suddenly, just like tick, tick. See? And this is not a professional way, or this is not smooth animation. See? We need to open the door very smoothly. Okay? For that, we are going to do this process. So let me just add this double click here, and we will just add click here track and add a float track. Now then on the length value we will just add 1 and just right click here and add a keyframe, sorry, on the spine and add a keyframe, and again one more time come here and add a keyframe here as well. Now I'll click here and type here 1, sorry, click here 1 and type enter. Now this shows like this. Then select the both keys, and what you want to do is just type here and make it auto, so the splines goes like this, very smooth. And now we are going to add, this one we are using for the closed door, so we will connect this one to reverse value to reverse the spline amount. We will connect this to the play. We'll connect the update value to here as well. Now here the animation track is here that we created already. We'll just grab this one to alpha, and one more thing we want to add is we will add the door open value, like z-axis value, like I already showed you. I'll type here 1 right here, like -108 here. Okay, so we are going to close this one because we already choose in here, and we will just right click here and split struck. Now we will just add this one to z-axis here. See? Now compile, save. Don't forget to compile and save. Okay, now it's so let's check. I'm going to, yeah, okay, fine. It's opening and it's closing. Yes, it's opening and it's closing. Let me check one more time. Yeah, the door opens very smoothly and is closed very smoothly. That's what we want, right? It's working. So let me show you the blueprint once more. This is going to be the smooth transition of the door. The timeline we used for the spline, and we used set relative rotation for rotations, and we connected the left value here, and we put the z axis value 95 here as well, and we added this door, and we connected all of this here, and we added on component and overlap here to reverse to close the door as well, and compiled and saved. So this is okay. So the benefit of creating a blueprint like this, you can grab more than one, like wherever you want, just grab it and drop it right there. uh, so you can easily just use anywhere you want in the engine, like this, like this. That's the benefit of blueprint right there. Okay, so I hope this video helps you to understand the basic concept of blueprint and door opening and creating the timeline value to smooth the transition. So once more, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So thank you. This is Ashwant the Domain signing off.